Hey everybody, it's Anand Chaudhary, a soon-to-be freshman in Monte Vista High School, and today I'm back with more proof problems, but I've actually decided that I'm not going to do all, 37 or so of these problems, because that's a little too much. You guys can go ahead and do it if you guys do find, a digital copy, or you have the book itself. You guys can do those problems, and I really recommend you do, but I feel like for time's sake, doing all 34 of these problems will not be useful for the series. Maybe in the future I will continue doing these problems once I'm done with perhaps more chapters in trigonometry. But today I'm going to stick to doing more problems. So I'm going to start skipping a little bit ahead. Again, these are proof problems, and so this one is actually question number 17 in the plain trigonometry book. So I'm just skipping around. I'm just going to find the problems which I feel are good for practice, such as this one. So, why don't we just get started with this? So again, what we're looking, our problem is secant to the power of 4a minus secant squared a is equal to tan 4a plus tan squared a, and our goal is to try to find a way to get tan 4a plus, tan to the power of 4a plus tan squared a. So, let's start off by, it seems like this pen is not working. Let's just get our second one over here. So the first thing we can do is, I know I can take secant squared out, so I'm just going to take secant squared of a outside of, now it's going to be secant squared of a minus 1. So one thing I know is that tan squared is equal to this, so I'm going to quickly go and exchange that over there. So secant squared a outside of tan squared a. And I hope you guys recognize that the only reason I'm trying to transform this into tan is because all that there is in our solution is tan. So I'm just trying to change this into a tan format. Now I know secant squared a is equal to 1 plus tan squared a. So I'm going to change that one to 1 plus tan squared a times tan squared a. Now simply, you just multiply these two together, and what you're going to get is tan squared a plus tan to the power of 4a. And if you guys do take a look at it, this and this are equal. So again, this one was a little short, because some of them are a little longer. You guys have to think more about it. This one is a little shorter, a little simpler. So, it varies on how much work you have to do sometimes. This time, it ended up being four lines of work. And so again, you may look at it at first, be like, oh my god, I don't know how I'll be able to do this. But at the end of the day, it's all usually fun and games, really simple. You just start plugging in values for all the stuff, and you just start using the formulas, which I taught you guys in the beginning. So anyways, that's our video for today. Please do like and comment on this video. Comment any feedback you guys have for my videos. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching, guys.